Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Draego and welcome to a new video.
Watch me. Dragon off!
So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, then
give a like to this video.
Also share this video as much as you can
and join Team Draego
by subscribing to the Draego Show.
And hit that bell icon near the subscribe button for all the quick notifications.
And please help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible.
So if you guys are having problem with your custom recovery, like it is failing to detect internal storage, then I might have a solution for you guys in this video. Just remember, with this method you will gonna lose all your mobile data, so make sure to make a backup of it. This is the easiest method to fix the problem of internal storage in custom recovery. There is one more method. I will gonna make video on that method in future, and I will gonna give it link in iCards. So yes, let's begin. So you guys will gonna see zero internal storage over there. So for this method, go to wipe, then click on format, and after that type yes and format your phone. After that, do not reboot or restart your phone. Just go back and check the internal storage in your custom recovery. It should be back to normal again. And after that, you can transfer your custom ROM or any file that you want to flash from your custom recovery to your phone via computer or any other source. If you guys have any questions related to this video, then you can ask me in comment section. Also drop your feedback over there, and like, share and subscribe, and I will gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets.